Hi, I'm John with ExpertVillage.com. We're making light switch plate covers. Now, we have the picture, we have it cut out what we need, we have our materials, and we have the cover. So, let's mod it on already. Again, you need Mod Podge. You need enough, because if you don't have enough, then what you put on will dry and it'll ruin it. So make sure you have all your materials. Paintbrush, Mod Podge. That's all you need. First thing we're going to do is mod the front of it. And mod the front of it. Now, once it's on there, and it's really runny, we want to make sure it doesn't get too tacked on. And so it's too tacky, put it on at the right time. So let's put it on. Open it up. Make sure you're doing this in a place so you can get it dirty. And just have at it. Make sure you get it into there. Don't want it too thin, but you don't want it too thick. So just work with it and be patient. Alright, nice even strokes.